Last March 16 ay nag-post si Chris Aquino sa kanyang Instagram at doon nga ay marami siyang naging revelasyon. Isa na dito ay ang kalagayan ng kanyang kalusugan na ayon nga sa kanya ay patuloy ang pagbaba ng kanyang timbang. Sa kasalukuyan ay 36 kilos lamang si Chris, kaya naman kasama nito ang mga photos na kung saan ay makikitang karga siya ni Bimbi papuntang CR. May mga ilang photos din ang ipinakita ni Chris na mukhang para sa mga netizen ay hindi na daw sana ibinabahagi pa sa social media dahil dapat daw ay private na ito. Ayon sa isang netizen, "This made me cry. I could really feel the pain, especially as a mom. Yes, when it comes to our children, they give us the strength to keep going, but please don't fall in love until you're truly ready. It makes you feel weak and vulnerable when they stop loving you. Right now, your children are enough. Until your heart and body are ready, focus on them and your health and wellness. I can relate so much. I gave them all my time and now they're teenagers. Only then did my heart feel ready to welcome someone new into my life, even though I've gotten so used to being on my own. That's just a bonus. Get well soon, Miss Chris. God is with you praying." Sabi pa ng isa, "But do you really need to post this kind of stuffs? For privacy mo na lang din sana. It's like you're exposing yourself. People don't need to know what's going on with your life sometimes. It gives negative impression on you as well. Don't mean no harm on this comment, but I hope you will someday and recover soon. Please focus on your health and love life. Focus on God, family, and positive thoughts muna. Praying for your recovery." Sa puntong ito ay maraming netizen pa rin ang patuloy na nagdadasal para sa paggaling ni Chris. Pero payo nga nila, sana daw ay mag-focus muna si Chris sa kanyang wellness at family at wag muna mag-involve na ibang tao na pwedeng magbigay pa ng stress o alalahanin para sa kanya. Ano po masasabi niyo sa story nito?